inquiry. What is the purpose of saving the account of current account? The required or any inquiry is the customer. This is provided. It's a welcome dish. It is all access are cash deposit, cash withdrawal.
They first come to this desk, to welcome desk. Okay? That is the cash counter. Go.
Deposit slips, it's not check.
You can do it.
It's not check, it's just deposit slip. Whatever the denomination you want to deposit in our account, just needs to mention here. Right? And how many hundreds, how many 50s, how many 20s. Cumulative total will be here. Our name will appear here, our account number will appear here, our PAN card number will appear here, and we mention date of deposit. Credit card we cannot issue for kids. Okay?
Next figure.
For elders, they used to get credit card based on their salaries and based on their business. What your father will do? Ask your father and submit it right. Yeah, I told someone already.
Thanks,
Do you have
sir.
any ID proof? It's like other student ID.
Wait, one by one.
ID card is. No issue, no issue. We can open based on your Aadhaar. Okay. Nagendra.
Anyone?
Do you have any ID proof? No issue, no issue. We can open based on your Aadhaar. Okay. How to get credit? Credit card we cannot issue. For elders, they used to get credit card based on their salaries and based on their businesses. What your father will do? Is just ask your father and submit your ID. This is server room. You are also having in your school or college, right?
What to do if there be a cyber security attack on the account of the HDFC Bank?
Cyber security. It's a very excellent subject. See, all these are reflect your answers, okay? Reserve Bank of India will protect all these things, okay? See, we have facility of digital archive. We have a number, you can see there also. Okay?
You will inform the...
No, we cannot able to inform everyone, okay? So whatever the OTPs you will receive your mobile number, no? You cannot share first. You cannot open every link or anything. So you supposed to make sure it is fair or not. It's your duty to check before you enter.
Next one.
I had two questions. First question is, we had some websites sir, to log into or to create an account. Is the account in HDFC Bank? What if they not attacking the server but attacking the website and they collect the customer's information? What is it?
How many employees are there?
Bank is providing online account opening process, but however, you can submit only your KYC. Post that you are supposed to visit your nearest branch. Then only your account will be active. Your account will get active.
Like some personal information will be...
No. We cannot share any of your information to anyone. That's in our bank server.
No, they will enter in the website now, sir.
Not any website, bank website. You're supposed to make sure it is fair the bank website or not.
And second question, sir. If the checks also, the bank should print us. What if they crack all the formula and they printed their own checks?
Fully printed.
Like there are some things.
See, there are some tracking mechanism. We have some machines and we have some systematic things. We don't allow. We cannot able to trace all.
Like notes, sir. In notes, rupees which
Take
they
notes.
they will, like real notes also, they will print at
Not possible.
they will print at that bank so and they will supply all over India. Not fake notes, the real notes. But checks means the bank should print it.
Yeah.
Then what if they crack all the formula? It's maybe a little easy than the notes.
Okay, he is asking, bank is printing their own checks. Why can't bank print their own money, right? Use it.
No, sir. What if thieves or some brilliant thieves will do, sir? They will take a checkbook. They will create an account. They will take a checkbook. They what if they crack out the formula to make the check?
Not possible. It's not giraffe. You can, if you able to put in that mission, you can check all these UV rays and all. Inside itself, it will reflect our bank brand name. In check, in that paper, we used to put some layers to reflect our brand history, not like carpet. You can able to identify even there are unique check numbers as you start told earlier. So all parents are doing gold loans to pay your school fees, right? This is the concept. 50 to 60% they used to. We will give paragraph 9,000 rupees.
Gram of gold. For 1 gram gold.
Just gold on indicator. Per gram,
1 gram gold.
this ring is 18 grams. Our bank will give you per gram 9,000 rupees. If it is 18 grams, 18,000 is 18,000 is 18,000. 9,000 is 18 how much?
89 grams. 89 grams.
89 sir? 1.8 lakhs. Mr. Guardian, along with your father, you can open your kid account.
You can open your kid account.
Just open your kid account, zero balance. You can ask your father, wherever it is, not only in SBI bank, you can open any of the bank. It starts from 1 year. Up to 18 years, it is kids account. After 18 years, it is not
Any doubt? Hey, you can ask.
Any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? You can ask.
Any question?
You will get extra rate of interest. If your father keeps some money in your account, you will get 0.5% extra interest. You can able to deposit money to your bank account. So deposit is saved anywhere, any bank, any organization.
If you are not able to see, you can see this.
Whatever you want. This your organization or your accounts department is just for your you get the message also. What is this page slip, right?
Check.
I think deposit this. How will you say this is check?
Because there is money right there.
How will you say this is check?
Every check number has a unique check number. No two checks can have similar check number.
Correct. So, in this, what can you do?
What can you do with the check? Tell sir. Only take money?
What we can do with this check?
Can we transfer our money to someone? Give this check.
Yes.
Can we withdraw money?
No.
Can we deposit money with this check?
No.
Very good. So, is this paid check or is this color xerox? How will you identify this paid check or color xerox? Pasted color you are telling, right? Yeah, we have some instruments which is called UV lamp. Okay, so it's like we used to keep it inside. You can identify some highlighters, blue color light. You see here.
Logo.
Yeah, logos and back side also we'll find this. In color xerox we cannot able to find all these things. Okay? It's like this is branch manager cabinet. This is we used to keep like this during the working hours. Okay? Post closure of working hours, we used to close this one. We have dual custodial concept. Okay? 2 persons will operate this one. Okay? 1 person will not be open. Okay? 2 persons has to come. They will open this in the morning.
Give a side hotel.
Most business hours like 4:30, 5:30, we will close this door also. This is ultimately
Give us a-
big door. You cannot blast it.
This
Can we blast this one?
this one is locker.
But possibility.
Okay.
We know that.